Hello and welcome to a short stock update here at Your Next Car. The vehicle is the 2018 218DM Sport. The vehicle previously had the 18-inch 666 competition style alloys in the diamond cut finish. However, we've personally felt that they suited the gloss black look on the alloys a little bit better. So now here they are, and they certainly suit that mineral grey very well. If you want a little bit further information on the car and a full walk around, up in the top right hand corner shall now appear a link to the video and also in the description. However, we'll show you around a little bit of the car. As you can see, those alloys really do suit this car very well. This car does also come with the option black Dakota leather. That comes with the electric lumbar option, all exceptionally clean and tidy inside. It's a 7-speed automatic. Round at the back, we've gone for, of course, the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit on this vehicle. It is a facelift model, a really stunning example of a wonderful 2 Series 2-door coupe. And as you can see, now that it's got the gloss black alloys on to really tie everything nicely together, it's really working well for this car. One last little look inside the vehicle. As you can see, multi-function M Sport steering wheel, facelift dashboard, really nice looking vehicle. As I said, if you want some more information on it, have a little look through that full walk around, and of course our website, of course, for more information regarding prices and funding options. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.